What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we're with my sister
Nolly
from the AJ and Nolly show, and my mom, Becky.
Special guest.
A special guest, Becky the Pink Fashionista. So go subscribe.
That's right,
so
for
today,
the Nolly and AJ and Mommy show.
I kicked the table.
So today we are doing cotton candy, new glitter sparkle. It smells sweet, and
Such as over 3,000 times.
I'm guessing it's slime because we've never actually done these, but there's some girl stripped in slime. I think on it.
Feeling it.
So it's a liar.
Who's excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. This one is clapping a little.
Yeah, it's
It broke.
How about we just do this one?
Okay.
Yeah, we're doing.
Yeah, let's just do it now.
I'm
This
gonna
pour
try
it.
to use the table
I'll
a
just
little
pop it
while
off.
you use the
Ah,
box
pop
instead.
it
It's up a little higher. Use this.
Oh, yep. Mommy's laptop was making some weird noises.
No, it was the camera power.
Oh, it was like making.
The camera.
I forgot that was a camera.
It is that, so I'll read one of those.
Okay, wait.
Smells sweet, new glitter sparkle, scented cotton candy, fluffy, stretchy slime. See? They were just reading cotton candy, new glitter sparkle. But it's scented fluffy
I didn't even know it was
slime.
slime.
These are slime that stretch over 3,000 times
it
their
all.
size.
Well, you know, I kind of had to do that.
I haven't had the broken cap.
So I guess we're just gonna open
What
it.
happened?
Ooh, I'm guessing this is pink
Ooh.
slime.
Oh
You got a big
no,
thing
it's
of
gonna be.
pinky.
That's
Is
gonna
it
be
hard
weird. That's gonna be really bad.
Yeah, well, you probably don't have to open two of the same.
That's gonna be bad, guys, because it's gonna be stuck in, like, most of it's gonna be stuck on the package, probably.
Yeah, my day. Okay, time to open it.
This one is lemon. They each have a kind.
Ooh, what's this?
This one says
The
lemon.
pinks
one
are
is grape.
strawberry.
Great.
Pink one's like
And
strawberry.
this one has the grapes. And then we got the...
Strawberry. Strawberry. Right here.
Oh, it's on it. Oh, that one didn't have it. Oh, it's on the tag. That's right.
Strawberry.
Oh,
I think
man.
that one got.
We got them. They're scented. That's why they're flavored. You don't eat them. You just smell them.
How do I open this?
I don't know. Let me
I
check.
think
We should have
oh,
used
my
right
God.
there, scissors, too. Like fluffy stuff. I'm hot in here. We need a fan.
Let me touch it. That looks like Play-Doh, kind of.
Oh, man. That feels weird. It's like, yeah.
I've never had a slime that feels like that before.
Yeah, it's fluffy.
I didn't feel it.
So it's just going to be different colors, really. So we'll just open three. You can open the purple or the yellow. Which one you want?
Okay, I want to open the yellow one.
Yeah, well,
Mom, you open
The yellow's
the
my
yellow.
favorite color.
I'll just take off the things. You guys can do it.
No, I want to take off mine.
There you go.
I'll use it.
You guys can start on opening one or more because I'm struggling. Trying to open it.
Only open
Oh,
the
it does
other.
smell like strawberry.
And then I'm going to pop the top.
I need help. I can't get this plastic off.
And we got lemon. I can't smell it
Can
yet.
can I
I
open
can smell
mine?
mine. Smell it.
Oh,
Can
yeah.
I
strawberry.
open mine?
Yeah, open it up. Show them up there.
Yeah.
Here's
I can't.
the thing. You can hold
Mom,
it up.
I can't do it. Can't get it
Mom,
out.
can you
Here,
peel
come
some
on.
of it off?
This is hard to get out, just so you know. Look,
Okay.
look.
Ooh, 3,000 times the size. That's what it
gosh,
says. See
okay.
if it's the truth color.
See if it's the truth.
Let's see. It
Incredibly.
feels like sand a little bit. It's dry. It's like dry.
Mom, can you help me get this
Yeah,
out?
dry.
It's really hard to get out of the packet, but it's really like stretchy. But if you like do this, it goes
It's
back
kind of
to.
dry. Yeah, it's not like wet slime. It's dry slime.
Guys, I'm still keeping the stick and the whatever on it. And the tag.
Here you go.
I can kind of smell
Here you go, lady.
More. Whoa, this
That's
is
okay.
a lot.
Kind of sick in there.
This is a lot.
Ooh,
3,000. Whoa, did you see that? Wait, it's like
It's 3,000
slow-mo.
times.
Mom, did you see that? Look.
I'm seeing.
Can you open it?
It goes
Here,
back.
there's more. That's all you need.
I dropped it.
Yeah, I don't think I need any more.
I dropped
Ready? You
my
see this?
slime on
And
it.
woo! Woo! What?
Mm-hmm.
How do you drop it on the
It's
ground?
open.
Yeah, it's just a like it. Ooh. This is actually a workout.
Oh, damn. Yeah, this is going to be the same, but purple, and it's not as messy.
Mine is gonna be on this.
It's not. It's like not stuck to the package like that.
Mom, you're opening yellow?
Yeah, here's his.
Ooh, wait.
And yellow.
It's so much
yellow.
softer.
No, you can open it. I'll take that one. I'll just play with the pink.
Wait, Mom, look at the differences.
Mm-hmm.
Then
I didn't feel
and then feel this one.
I didn't feel
Wow,
mine.
why is this one so softer?
Yeah,
Because it's
Yeah.
mine. Oh, what the?
Okay,
It's
oh,
hurting and it's
ew.
dry.
Feel mine,
Dry.
AJ.
Ew.
Smell it. Smell it.
It feels ew.
Strawberry. AJ, feel that.
Strawberry.
Mom, look at.
Mhm.
Okay, mine.
Oh yeah, it does bounce in like Nolly said.
It's
It
got
bounces
sparkles.
in.
So let's look at the next one here. Let me
Are you
think.
sure you don't want to open it?
Nope, you got this. I'm looking at these. This one's got little sparkles.
Time to
Lavender.
open it.
Ooh, my favorite.
Mom, look. Hey guys, wanna know how far it stretches? Guys, wanna know how far it stretches?
far?
What's your favorite color, Mom?
This purple right here matches my outfit.
Ooh. Okay, my
No,
favorite
this
color
one
is
matches
my
yellow.
outfit.
Hey, what's your
Yeah,
favorite
both
color?
Light,
Baby blue.
No, lighter.
These are
light.
cool.
Whoa.
Cotton, it does look like
Mine's
cotton
yellow.
candy though.
Well, this one's harder.
And it does stretch
Wait,
up
where?
3,000
Wait.
times.
This one. This one.
This is cool.
I wanna feel that one. That
And
one's
I
the
got them on
hardest.
clearance. That's why I bought
This
the
one's
rest
the
of the box
hardest
that
one
they
to
had.
stretch.
They were like $3.99 each.
It's
Mom,
on
I don't
feel
know
this
how
one. This
cheap
is
it
harder to stretch than all of
Alright.
them.
And then I'll show it up close. Yeah, this one is the hardest. It feels tougher. It's a tougher, but it's got sparkles in it too, I'm sure. It doesn't really shine as much on the yellow though.
Hey guys, if you ever buy this and if you don't like the feeling, it's a really weird feeling.
It's not
Let
wet
me
like
stretch it.
slime though. I like it better than normal slime. So
Yeah, it's more
cool.
like putty.
Well, you can see through
It's
it.
kind of like, it
They
feels
put
like
in
it could
some-
be like
I've actually seen
sand.
people
They
do
put
this.
some sand in
They
it,
put
like
these
this.
people. Some people actually put this in slime.
See if there's
Mom, did you know some people actually put this in slime?
they say this is slime though.
Yeah, I know people put this in slime.
Oh,
Where's
wow,
mine?
and they make their own. It
I
doesn't say what
I
you
wanna
do to
try
put it
this.
away though.
Oh,
Use
whoa!
adult supervision. Wash hands with
Why
clean
under
water thoroughly before using and after using.
Okay.
I'm not washing my
Do not put your
hands.
hands in the mouth.
What?
I don't
That's
see anything
too
else I
indirect.
could read
Why is
though.
it toxic for your hands?
No, it's just dirty.
Let me see if it says
But
anything
it's
else.
sticky.
Yeah, but it says
No.
it's scented, fluffy, stretchy slime, guys.
Doesn't-
2018
lemon.
Guru. We did a
Does it
bunch of
smell like-
Guru toys.
Yellow, lemon. See if it sparkles.
Guru.
Wait,
The
can
yellow
you make
sparkle or
anything
not?
special with this?
And I don't know if we're supposed to put it back in a baggie or it can just sit in this. I don't want it to get hard.
Ooh,
but
look
I
at
don't
the
think it will.
sparkles.
Yeah, well.
Oh, I know why. Dude, look at my fingies. My
Mm.
finger. Look at all the sparkles. Wait, can you hear it? Shh.
It's cool. It's cool.
I can't film my.
Cotton candy. It only took her 3 months to do her video. Woo woo. She got this for her birthday.
That
You
was
know that
May
'cause I did videos on
24.
it, people.
Oh yeah, go and say happy birthday to.
Hey, we had Tay's birthday yesterday. It was a nice.
September
day.
23rd.
Go and say happy birthday on her channel because you can't comment on our videos.
That's right.
Sadly.
It's nice.
Unless
Life.
it's like really early, because I watch a YouTuber that has kids and it's called The North Smith, if you haven't known. And in the
Bad
first
YouTuber.
hour or two, you can like comment on their videos. That's when it first comes out, and then it turns off eventually. Like,
I
on
think they're
other
bad
videos.
YouTubers, but Nolly thinks they're good.
Cut it
They're
out.
good YouTubers, that's why.
I'm gonna throw away garbage. You guys can play with slime.
Oh, I made a box. Oh.
I want to test. I need to test the test. I have to test. I have to test this. You guys, if you don't know, you must.
It doesn't work. The clicker doesn't
Okay, let's see if the bubble works.
It doesn't work.
Let's see.
It isn't.
I like the purple.
see.
Yeah. Take the pink one here.
Oof, yeah, it doesn't work, but it gives a cool texture.
Yeah, but it gets stuck to stuff, so be careful.
Be careful with that.
The grape
Wait,
one
and one more thing.
Smells like grape bubble gum a little bit when you
Smell
first,
it. This one.
when you first chew it. Oh,
Smells
that one
like
smells
the
like
lemon soap.
soap or cleaning products. That one smells like cleaning
Let
products.
me smell.
This one smells like grape gum, like
Oh,
right
why
when you're
does
about
that
to
smell
chew
like
it and it's
bleach?
still coming out of the pack.
It doesn't.
It smells like bleach cleaning product.
No, lemon. And then this one is just
I'm trying to make a
a
swirl.
fake strawberry.
Oh yeah, this tastes like some like bleach.
Taste, you're eating it, don't eat it.
No,
It's hot
like I
shit.
can't smell it.
We know, we're just kidding.
Okay, wait.
I'm gonna make a
Okay,
ball,
wait.
and then I'm gonna
I'm gonna try and make a
say
swirl.
goodnight, y'all, because they got virtual school in the morning.
How do you make a ball?
And I
The
have to
morning,
sleepover
the morning.
after school.
Woo!
Thank you very much. Yeah, no, the swirl doesn't work.
Cotton candy.
Exactly.
Fluffy slime, booty, time.
I feel like some they put sand in it. They made slime.
They
and
probably did put
sand
sand in it because I see a bunch of sparkles.
Mom, this is literally
Look
sand.
at all the
Yeah, it's
sparkles.
funny. It looks like a kinetic sand a little bit. It's like kind of.
Yeah, there's a little bit of kinetic sand.
Could be. And there, I made mine into a thing.
I'm doing
There's
this.
a bunch
A
of
snail
sparkles.
tail.
I'm doing a swirl. No, it literally is kinetic sand.
And there's mine. I made a snail.
It looks like I have freckles on
Where's
my face.
snail?
Mom, you did
What?
a swirl.
How did you
Oh,
do
it's a
it?
snail and it's prey, guys.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna make it into my ball.
I'm sweating. I can't shower because I just got my lashes done, so I can't shower.
Can't you take a bath?
I can try to buy it and not wet my body.
No, I dropped it.
Hamburger
Okay,
patty.
don't do that.
Alright, I'm gonna hope they don't dry. If I can find little baggies, I'll put them in baggies.
Okay, wait,
so
I'm
they
gonna
don't
put it in a
dry
ball.
on
Can you make it in a ball?
you. I like the purple the best. Which one's your fave?
Well,
What's your
my favorite
out of
color.
these?
I told you purple already.
My favorite color is
No,
the yellow
I'm
one.
coming to that.
Oh, okay.
My favorite color is the yellow.
I said ball.
But overall, my favorite like textured one is probably purple
I think
or
that they're
yellow.
kind of the same. They're just like one's tougher.
One's tough.
This one doesn't even smell like strawberries. It
Mine
smells
has a
like
faint
something
strawberry smell, kind of
Okay,
like a
time to put it
strawberry,
in a
artificial
ball.
strawberry candy, an artificial.
else. Yeah, it's a strong one.
Mom, I have a question.
They aren't that strong.
Why in real life my voice is deeper than it is on camera?
I don't know because
On one of her videos,
You're making your voice.
I don't know.
on
And
one
you
of her videos, our
What? How
old
do you do
cat.
that?
I said videos.
Video.
One of our videos, the old cat. We got a bunch of old cats.
We had an
They
Oreo.
ran away. Actually,
old.
one
We
just
had
did.
an
I know, I'm just
Oreo.
kidding.
And
And she
Where's
does it.
Oreo?
went
She
outside.
ran away. Yeah, we gotta put up.
And
I'm
she
gonna
was
call
right
that
there.
lady and see if she picked her up because I'm gonna be
you.
that lady that left that note that said she was trying to catch the kittens. I'm gonna call that number. I found the brochure downstairs.
Mom, we should put a poster. with
I
some
know.
cat.
I gotta print out
Oreo.
a picture then.
Because, okay, I'm guessing a lot of people actually seen Oreo. They just don't know who Cat it is.
Maybe, but it's been months and she hasn't been home. Cats usually at least come home and check in. Scooty was only gone for a few weeks. And he
Well,
came
yeah,
back.
because it's Scooty.
Okay, well, Oreo.
Oreo left and never came back.
Exactly my point.
That's
Why?
why Oreo's Oreo.
It's a base.
That doesn't make any sense.
She
Oreo
made
was our
baseball.
second cat.
No. Oh yeah, because the first one went.
Pebbles, patties,
Because
pebbles.
It was
the
only
first one
2
went
months
like this.
Okay,
poison.
stop.
Right?
Crazy.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
This is my like
Balls. There we go.
Okay, time to and this last pink one's
See you
Well,
later.
okay,
Peace,
Give
guys.
that one away. That'll be a prize at the
What one?
party on Saturday.
The pink one.
maybe
We'll tell
one of
everybody
his
how
friends.
awesome it is, and they'll want it.
Maybe one of Tay's friends.
I
will
live
want
to
it.
stay in Ollie and Mommy.
Bye. That hurt my
Thanks for
ear.
watching.
Peace.
Subscribe if you haven't.
Bye.
Yeah.
La, 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 la.
I wish you could comment by the
I
way.
want cotton candy, but the fairs are canceled.
Yes. But
Boo.
who knows where to get cotton candy milkshakes?
How?
I do.
Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.